After his arrest on Saturday from Bengaluru, terror outfit ISIS's alleged social media handler Mehdi Masroor Biswas has been questioned by several security authorities. He's claimed during his interrogation that he used to visit prominent ISIS-related sites and translate their mostly Arabic contents into English and repost their content on his Twitter account, Shami Witness. He said that his ISIS-related doings were confined to this activity alone, and he's not been involved in any recruiting for the dreaded terror organization. Home Minister Rajnath Singh gave a suo motu statement on this issue in the Lok Sabha on Monday and said that a detailed investigation is on.
मेहदी विश्वास से की गई पूछताछ से यह पता चला है कि उसकी गतिविधियां आईएसआईएस समर्थक सामग्री को अपने ट्विटर अकाउंट और सोशल मीडिया साइटों पर पोस्ट तथा रीपोस्ट करने तक सीमित थीं। उसने आईएसआईएस के लिए लोगों की भर्ती करने से इनकार किया है। पूरे प्रकरण की आगे जांच जारी है।
The Home Minister said that the Twitter handle with the username @ShamiWitness belongs to Mehdi. More than 60% of Mehdi's Twitter followers were non-Muslim. Majority of his Muslim followers were from Western countries, mainly the UK. He said Mehdi started following developments in Syria, Iraq and Afghanistan on the internet during his college days. He's been active on social networking sites since 2009. Mehdi came into prominence in the UK electronic media for circulating ISIS material through his tweets. 24-year-old Mehdi is of a middle-class family background from Kolkata. He's done his electrical engineering from Guru Nanak Dev Institute of Technology in 2012. He joined ITC Bengaluru following campus placement as a manufacturing executive. The Bengaluru police has pressed the pedal on its probe into Mehdi and his activities, asking Twitter for additional information.
There is a Twitter handle called ISIS_media. We don't know from where this Twitter handle operates, globally probably. So to the extent that we need to take note of it, we have taken note of it.
The police has said that it's also aware of the threats on the social network about Bengaluru being on target after Sydney, and they're being taken seriously. The National Investigating Agency has also quizzed Mehdi's parents. Mehdi came under the scanner after Britain's Channel 4 reported on his activities. He was arrested under Section 125 of the IPC, waging war against an Asiatic power friendly with India, as well as different sections of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act and the Information Technology Act. He is currently in police custody. With inputs from Aisha Khanum, DD News.